Hey guys, this is Vijay. Today we are going to talk about the ARP spoofing, ARP poisoning. Here, sorry, not spoofing, ARP poisoning. So we have the one server, telnet server, and we have the client, and we have the Kali Linux box, which is sitting over Ethernet 1 in the same network. And we will try to hijack the session between the source and destination. We will try to gain the information about the uh, username and password and try to log in the client. Okay. So if I go here and show that what we are going to do here is, so this is our lab environment is. In this particular lab environment, the user is going to get access the Kali Linux box, which I already have the lab setup. And there is a telnet server sitting and the client machine on the same network. The client machine authenticate with the telnet server in every 30 seconds. Attacker can perform the both machines by using the tool installed on the Kali Linux instance. And objective of this one is to identify the telnet server and the client machine and steal the telnet credential by performing the ARP poisoning attack and in the log server. So our instruction is we have the one Kali Linux box, and in the Kali Linux we have Ethernet one interface, and the Kali Linux box we already have connected in the one switch, and in the switch we have the same here. So this is 10.100.13.37, I think, and .36. Okay. So first thing is from the Kali Linux box, we will try to discover these devices using the nmap network mapping, and then we will try to generate the ARP spoofing, and we will try to poison the data traffic between the source and destination. Okay. Now, if I go to here, what tool we are going to use here is, so we are not going to do any kind of attack on the gateway, because if we attack gateway will be down and eventually we will lose the connectivity for all the environment. So attacker never attack the gateway. Okay. For what tools we are using? We are using the ARP spoofing within the Linux box, and we are using the Wireshark within the Linux box. Okay. So I have this lab. Okay. And already have the connectivity with the devices. If I say the IP address, if you see that I already have the same subnet IP address connecting to the switches. Now, if I do nmap, so nmap, why we are doing here? Because when you are the attacker, you definitely don't know what devices are connected in the network, right? So first thing is you need to understand the topology of the network. So first thing is you will do here is nmap 10.100.13.0/24, for example. The moment you will run this particular command, all the devices within the same network, within the same subnets, all the devices which are available in the infrastructure will be discovered via the Linux box. Okay. When I say the Linux box, we are using the Kali Linux. So wait, it takes few seconds. So let's wait for that. Either you can use the .0 or either you can use .40. So if you see here, I got some information. It says that you have one server .36. Okay, and this is the port number which is open for that particular box, and this is the Linux Oracle virtual box. And I have another IP address .37, which is a server. Okay, and this is the self IP address. What I will do here is I will configure the IP forwarding, IP packet forwarding for that. So that's the reason IP forwarding should be disabled in the production environment. Or IP redirection should be disabled in the production environment. That's best practice. This is I'm going to show that if you do not have IP forwarding disabled in your environment, how ARP poisoning can be done in your environment. Okay, so I think sorry, IPv4/IP forwarding. Okay. If not, I will say that echo 1 net IPv4, I will say /IP forward. Done. Now, if I go to here and try to perform the ARP spoofing, okay, so I will write the ARP spoof minus I from the Ethernet 1 interface, which is connecting to switch to 10.100.13.37, and I already have the redirection 10.100.13.36. What are these IP addresses are? What 37 is a server and 36 is a client. So I will say generate the traffic, already getting the reply. So what I will do here is I will open my Wireshark, which I already have on the Linux box. So Wireshark. On the Wireshark, what I will do here is I will try to capture the telnet traffic between the source and destination, between the 36 and 37. I will try to capture on the Ethernet 1. And once I have all the traffic, then I will capture the telnet packet and open that. And we'll see that what all the details we can find out. We'll see here Ethernet 1 interface. Lot of ARP requests you will see here. You will see a duplicate ARP, plus you will see a duplicate ARP. Then you will see a duplicate TCP. Then you will see the telnet name. What I will do for telnet, I will right click and forward TCP stream. The moment you will see that TCP stream, you get that admin login and password for the client. So what I will do here is from the Kali Linux, I will try to log in this particular box to gain that network access. Okay. I will do here is Control C. Okay. So what I will do here is I will do telnet to which particular IP address, to .30 IP, 36 IP address, which is your client IP address. I will do that telnet on .100.13.36. Once it will ask the username password connected to this one. So if you see that connection is there, my login is admin. What was the password? Password was this one. Admin, I think I need to copy this, then I will say that place in a keyboard. Yeah, you will see that I have gained the access of the client. This is how you do the ARP spoofing in the environment, and this is same information which I have from the TCP stream, same information I am getting after logging the devices. Look here. Now you can even delete or save the data, change the credentials, all the things you can perform here. This is how you done the ARP spoofing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next video.